In this video, I want to show you how to add data collections to your account. So a data collection is a way to store information that you want to reference in future blog posts. It might be a company report, a customer or industry survey, it could be product pages from your website or anything else. So when you create future articles, you can choose which data collections to pull relevant information from, and then that information will be used and cited in the article. Okay, so to get started, we can click New Collection, and I'm going to create a few data collections in this demonstration for my animation brand called Wise Owl. So I've got a page here which is Video Marketing Statistics, and this is a survey that we run every year. We ask customers and the wider industry all about video, their use of video, how they use video for their business, and I want to pull this or store this in Article Hero so that when I create blog articles for Wise Owl, we can reference the stats in this page. So I'm going to grab the URL. I'm going to come into Article Hero and I'll give the collection a name. So I'll say State of Video Marketing 2025. Create the collection, and when we create the collection, we get two options. We can either add web pages or we can add files. So in this instance, I've got a web page, so I'm going to paste the URL here and I'm going to add that as a link. And you'll see what Article Hero does is it processes the page and it stores that information for easy retrieval later on. Okay, so let's do the next one. I could add more items to this collection if I want. I could add more web pages. I could also add files, and I can build up this collection with information on this topic. But because this page is the only information that I have on this topic, the state of video marketing, I'm just going to add that one thing for now. It's useful to create different collections on different topics so that you can pull in the right information into the right posts as you need to. If you've got all your information in one collection, then you don't have a way to say, I only want to reference this topic or this topic. You better create data collections on each topic so that you can pull in the right ones to each article that you create. Okay, so we did a similar thing for AI, to ask people how they use AI with their video marketing. So again, we've got a range of different statistics on this page. So I want to copy that URL, AI Marketing Statistics. I'll go over to Article Hero, create a new collection, and I'll call it AI Video Marketing Stats. Create this collection, and I'll add that web page that I pulled there. You'll see again, Article Hero processes the page and saves the information for later retrieval into your blog posts. So I'm going to create one more collection here. In this instance, I've got a couple of different documents about the cost of explainer videos, some research that we did, and also an ebook that we created on the topic as well. So it's two different PDFs that I want to pull into this data collection. So I'm going to create a new collection. I'm going to call it Cost of Explainer Videos. I'm going to click Create Collection. This time I want to add files. So if I click here, I'll add the data first. I'll just upload that file. Again, you can see it processes and it saves that for later on. And I'm going to also now add the ebook. And that is now saved. So I now have three really good collections of data that I can pull into future articles. So when I'm creating a future article in my internal linking, I can decide whether I want to pull in relevant statistics, data and information from the cost of explainer videos. I can choose whether I want to pull in the information from about AI, or the general state of video marketing survey that we do. And each one will be given in our internal links as a source with the statistic or the data point or the reference or the quote, whatever it might be, along with a link to the page if relevant, and the name of the source if not. And this means that we can reference different data points from ourselves, our product pages, our website as a whole, or different reports that we have in different articles that we create. And it means that we don't have to upload these documents each time. I can now choose in future articles which of these data collections I want to reference and pull data from. Okay, so that is how to use data collections in Article Hero. I hope that was useful.